Pinoy Bex.
Welcome to Pinoy Bex. Ang problem natin ngayon ay what is the number of ways can 3 nurses and 4 engineers be seated on a bench with the nurses seated together? Ang una muna nating hanapin is the number of ways that the 3 nurses can be arranged is 3 factorial. Using the concept of principles of counting. 3, nagamit na yung isa, times 2 times 1. Okay. For the number of ways the 4 engineers can be arranged, apat sila, so we have 4 factorial. And last, the order or number of sequence. Pwedeng nasa unahan yung nurses, nasa gitna, or nasa hulihan. Okay, for the nurses, since magkakatabi sila, ang order nila, so talagang isa lang. Okay, so 1. Sa engineers, so pwede silang magkahiwa-hiwalay base sa ating problem. So since naapat sila, plus 4. So 1 plus 4. So total of 5 orders or sequence. Yan, pwede naman natin itong i-check. Okay? Una, so we have nurses 1. So magkatabi sila. Nurses 2, nurses 3, then engineer 1, engineer 2, engineer 3, and engineer 4. So next sequence is, sabi natin nauna yung isang engineer. 1. So sunod, magkakatabi ulit yung nurses. Hindi pwede silang magkahiwalay. Then, engineer, engineer, engineer. So next is nauna yung dalawang engineer, then nurses, 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 then engineer, engineer. Next is nauna yung tatlong engineer. Then so we have tatlong nurses. Ayan. Next sequence ay nauna yung 4 engineer, then susundan ng tatlong nurses. So, ayan yung ating mga sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, a total of 5 sequence or orders. Okay, now let n the total number of ways. Total number of ways. So n therefore is equivalent to, using the principles of counting, okay, 3 factorial times 4 factorial times the number of sequence or the order, so times 5, so equivalent to 3 factorial, so we have 6. 4 factorial is times 24, so times 5, equal to 720 ways. So this is the answer. Okay. So finalize lang natin yung ating sagot. There are 720 ways for the 3 nurses and 4 engineers that can be seated on a bench with the nurses seated together. That's it. So, I hope na natutunan nyo kung paano mag-solve ng ganitong klaseng problem. Huwag nyo kalilimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. And again, thank you for watching. Pinoy Bakes.